So approach or no approach, I can assure you they are trying the best, but it's not everything that you will say, because Nigeria, I'm sorry, with due respect, or our people, with due respect, or generally human being, before you realize, they release the information to these people. That's the truth. That's the reason why you can see that probably they are not talking, they are not giving out information. All what you are looking for is that God will help the security people that they are doing their maneuvering for them to get their this. If not because I'm here, and probably because I brought the motion we are discussing. Like what I told you now, that if they are used sleeping powder, some of the children won't wake up again. So what do you tell them that you rescue 75 years or 65 or 55, and you are telling me that my own son is gone? So that is they have to be tactical. We have to be tough.
My name is Oyo Abduction from Arise. I just want to ask one simple question, sir. Is Nigeria helpless? Are you helpless, sir?
No. Let me expatiate on your question. I know what you are saying, and I feel it. And I was discussing with the Senate leader now, and then the Deputy Senate President, because of the reason that we should do what is called capital punishment by killing them people. And I remember at the 9th Assembly, we passed a law like that. Even at the 10th Assembly, we have passed a law like that, that when we get there, I always tell you, the biggest problem we have in our country, to me, is reorientation. We need to reorientate ourselves of a lot of things. And I'll give 2 examples. Imagine if they are caught today, then you execute them or something after the next day, yes, you go to Yoruba or you go to another Yoruba. You forget the issue and start discussing triviality. I remember at the 8th Assembly when I was chairing transportation, and there were these people who were caught. They removed the papers of the road on Abuja, Kaduna road, and I brought a motion. They were arrested, and I brought the motion to the floor that they should be executed. It's one of my saddest days in my life. They can't abuse me, they abuse me. Capital punishment will increase. It's because they are hungry. It's because they are hungry that you commit murder. You know how many people they train carry? Even they also try to kill people now, but they didn't see it from that angle. They are seeing it from a different angle, a different perspective entirely. They now tell you, why do you have to call you a senator? You are enjoying, you are stealing Nigerian money, blah, 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 blah. It is disgusting. So we need a lot of reorientation. Let me make you laugh. When I was in the House of Representatives something years ago, my best friend, as I was just entering the chamber, he said, why are you looking for me? Look at this useless one. He has arrested Oga. He has arrested Oga. I was wondering, which Oga? He has said the technique and Alicia. I said, what's happened? He said, no wonder the useless one. He has arrested Oga. I said, what happened? He said, it's true. I said, it's true. And I said, did he steal? He said, you are stupid. The only thing they steal in Nigeria. I don't know, it's a legislature. And that's very important. I said, this nowhere. I know say because you will support them. At that time, it was Obasanjo that was the president of the country. I don't know if you get, if at that level, argument go along that line instead of issue. He said, I know say you will support them. Not only him, they steal for Nigeria. As far as that, and the situation has not even changed up to now. So we need what is called reorientation. Compared to China, or anywhere Far East, they will tell you, don't come to our country with truck. If you come to our country with truck and you are caught, we will cut your head. And that will never be really exactly. If you do it, you will cut your head. Simple. And if you're a civil servant or public servant, and like about 3 months ago. Either April or March, I can't remember precisely. The head of electricity was executed for about $2,000. Not $2 million, not $200,000. In China, yes. $2,000. You couldn't account for $2,000, not $200 million. Is the law, and in this country we have that law, but the politic measure is not there. The political will is not there. And that's why I go back to my statement. We need what is called reorientation. And the tell people who know that this is our country. We don't have any other place to go. And nobody will come here. A video yesterday. Yesterday or this morning, I was just laughing. I said, Trump, we are begging you, come and rescue us. Just that Trump will answer you. America will go out for only Americans. What concern them with Nigeria? Except they have the good or something to come and carry. Nothing concern them. But they are ready to lose 200 soldiers for one American. This is our orientation. So we also need a reorientation. So the country can be great or will be great when we are able to focus on what we really want. But the truth of the matter is that everybody in Nigeria is a pastor anymore. The story every day. We journalists. The story.
I just want to find out. My name is Topsy Gilbert. I'm sitting there because of the camera.
Okay.
My name is Topsy Gilbert. I report for Aso Radio.
Okay.
So there's this video trending, allegedly said by the former governor of the state. The entire Southwest will not go against me by not being proactive in solving security issues in Nigeria. And that's why the choice of Oyo becomes very paramount. This insinuation being said by the French.
I'm sorry, with respect to French, I'm not a sensational person. I don't do some sort of all these propaganda. So you know, the day we have this book, but don't forget one thing. That is his state. Number one. Number two is a father. Number three, what will be the benefit to him? I'm not standing for him. I'm just coming out of and then I would have been happy when I saw the video. As usual, in fact, I would have been happy that this is my fact, this is my evidence, this is my fact, this is where they have done their meeting, and the day they use this federal and they use this state government car when they were coming, the state government bought them this machine, they bought them this rifle. You get to say things anyhow just because you want sensationality. You're not caught up with that. We are talking of people's life. I said 2 years old. It's my senatorial. It's my constituency. It's my town. It's a saddest thing. It's a very pathetic. This thing I'm saying, I wish, I'll send you a video. That my first visit there when the incident happened. So it's not somebody, you know, there are some certain things, what they want is that I want to appear on the social media and television. Prove, tell us. If people like me will not need us to go and mission one day, there are some certain things you don't see. This is the truth. And then Yoruba has one program. It's one of the best programs like that. They are in the program. Tẹ́lifí parọ́ tẹ́lifí parọ́ bá ló kó òun parọ́ fáwọn ẹ̀ fáwọn èèyàn òun tó sàn parọ́ ó máa bá wọn láyé fún òun when you are lying to people and you think at least you that's what you tell me méjì you when you are lying and this book I read the life of Anwar Sadat was a former Egyptian president and he said the day you are lying to yourself, that's the beginning of your end. The day you start lying to yourself, that's the beginning of your end. It's not every issue you politicize. You can politicize another thing. When somebody talk and you want to move away as a politician of what do you can criticize it. But we are talking of people like 2 years old like what is their offense? Their offense that they went to school that day. What is the offense of Adekule? The one that was ṣẹ́jú mẹ́wàá, kò tó ṣẹ́jú mẹ́wàá tó kù lé, tó ṣẹ́jú mẹ́wàá tó kù lé, because the school is not far to the house. It look as if it's an African movie. He was even asking your senator, if I'm going to come here, I said, this is my own pocket. But very pathetic, very emotional. Let's say, you are going to put more system. And somebody will now come and start talking on social media because there are some certain people who it's disgusting. But fed, become you. But when you become something, you become, even when we were going, when we went there with Daddy, Lou Rivazu, Femi, Minister of Defense, IG, when we saw that woman, the mother woman, the moment the woman was crying, the way she was behaving, we come to tears. That was what I was telling my brother. The situation in SL is different. In fact, it's even different to Chibok girls. Imagine somebody doing his own morning job, carrying someone from Yawata. It's 5 minutes drive with Okada, 15 naira. And the thought was saying he was shot and he said, you know, so nobody I give you one. So I'm sorry, that too. So I think I'm not caught up for that type of stuff. Here we came, when they are playing their politics, hot, we sleep, no problem, and we laugh it up. But serious issues like this are nothing to
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.